So, what happens when a company that's famous for absolutely timeless, iconic design decides to reinvent itself for a sustainable future? Well, today we're diving into the world of MillerKnoll to see exactly how they're tackling one of the biggest challenges of our time without losing the soul of their legendary designs.
I mean, it's a great question, right? When your whole identity is built on these mid century modern classics, how do you innovate for a world that's so focused on climate without watering down what made those designs so special in the first place? That's the big tension we're going to explore. So let's get into their strategy and see how they're doing it.
All right, here's how we're going to break it down. First, we'll look at their design legacy. Then we'll unpack their core philosophy on sustainability. After that, we'll see it in action with some of their most famous products, meet the team that's making it all happen, and finally, see how they're aiming to make sustainability the new normal.
Okay, first up, designing for the future. Now, you got to remember, MillerKnoll isn't just one company. It's this whole collective of design giants, like Herman Miller and Knoll. And yeah, they've cared about the environment for decades, but the climate crisis has basically lit a fire under them, forcing a total reevaluation of how they create, well, everything. And this is not some new bandwagon for them. Get this, their first formal environmental policy was written way back in 1953. But what's happening now is totally different. It's a fundamental rethinking of design and manufacturing, all driven by this super ambitious vision for the future.